Welcome to FileTeam.com. FileTeam.com is a great way to securely transfer files, share data, and collaborate using email, chat, a web link, or social media. I'm going to show you how I share data and collaborate with a coworker in another location. First, I navigate to the FileTeam.com website. In the center here, I click on the Click Here to Upload Files button. This opens a box allowing me to select files to upload from my computer. Now, I could be using this on a tablet or smartphone, and it would work much the same way. Okay, I've selected the files that I wish to upload, so I click the Open button. Now, as my files are uploading in the background, I can proceed to enter file notes corresponding to each file that I'm uploading. So we'll call this first one Minutes of the Last Meeting, and I will call this next file Agenda, and so on. It looks like my files have finished uploading, so now I click the Finalize Upload button and it takes me to this page. A unique site has been created with all of my files. So here's the file list, in the order I uploaded them, together with corresponding notes. This is great. It helps me explain what I'm sending. So now if I want to open a file, instead of just downloading and opening it, which I could do with the Download button over here, I can click on the file and open it right here in the browser. Well, that speeds things up and saves on data transfer charges if you're accessing using your cell data service. You can use this convenient pop-out menu on the right here so that you don't have to return to the index to view the list of available files. So, as you can see, I can swiftly navigate between documents. I can scroll through a document using the conventional scrolling method, or I can double-click on any page to get a thumbnail view. Now, if I wanted to share the documents with someone, I can click on Copy Link on the top right of the page, and you can see that this copies the website link to my clipboard. I can paste this link and send using email, a chat window on a mobile phone, or on a social media app. If someone receives this link and clicks on it, they will view this same site that I've created on their own screen. You can now see my coworker Kim's computer screen open in the bottom right corner of your screen, and she's opened the link I just sent her. We can enter into conference mode by clicking on the conference link and entering our names, then get on the phone and let the meeting begin. Notice now that both our names are displayed as being in conference. If I click on my name, a green star appears next to it, designating me as the leader. By the way, up to 10 or so individuals could be invited to join the meeting by sharing the FileTeam link and using any conventional conference calling product. Documents and pages I select will show on Kim's screen in real time, as well as the screen of invited participants. The leader, me in this case, also has a green cursor arrow that is shared between screens. If I display thumbnails, then Kim and others see the thumbnails too, and so on. Anyone can interrupt and take over as the meeting leader by clicking on their name, emulating the face-to-face meeting experience. Up to 100 files and 500 megabytes of data can be shared in a single link, viewed in the browser, or downloaded and saved using FileTeam.com. Please contact us if you have any questions or need additional information. Thanks for watching.